Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Gain Explains Mental Maths Tutorials.
Houston, we have a problem.
112 take away 37.
Holy guacamole!
Anyone? Anyone?
Subtracting numbers in your head can be troublesome, especially when you have to deal with all that borrowing. Your working memory begins to get overloaded and you soon start to make mistakes. Let's try a different approach.
Holy blackout!
Instead of subtracting, we'll use a strategy I call shopkeeping, which is inspired by the way shopkeepers give change. Instead of using subtraction, they count on from the price the customer needs to pay to the amount they have been given. Let's look at this in action. The customer needs to pay 35 pence. They pay with a £1 coin, which is worth 100 pence. The shopkeeper will give the change by counting forwards from 35 to 100. They start by giving a 5-pence coin, which takes us to 40 on the number line. Next, they give a 10-pence coin, which takes us to 50. Lastly, they give a 50-pence piece, which takes us to the 100. In total, the shopkeeper gave 65 pence in change. By counting forwards, they have worked out that 100 take away 35 is 65. Clever, eh? Let's apply this shopkeeper's method to our subtraction question. Remember, we need to take 37 away from 112. So, at the start of our number line is 37, and we need to count forwards to 112. Instead of trying to get there in one giant leap, let's take a series of smaller steps. We'll start by counting from 37 to 40. That's a step of 3. Next, we'll count up to 100, which is a step of 60. Finally, we'll count from 100 to 112, which is a step of 12. Add our 3 steps up, 12 plus 60 plus 3, and we have 75. So 112 take away 37 is 75. Amazingly, we've managed to do a subtraction question through adding. How clever! Time to do some independent practice. Pause the video, pick your level, and start doing some mental maths magic.